If I make yet another MP. I just put it on the player object. Try them.
I need a little schnick.
It's surprising. The player object never rotates the and do I create another empty? I feel like I shouldn't be doing this, but it seems like the simplest solution in my brain. Yeah, we're. Oh! Drop my controller. How much for this game template? You can have it. If you can sort through the code, that's enough payment. I have so much unnecessary code. I swear to you. My coding, terrible. Like transform, but it's alright. Slash direction. So basically, when attacking, form. Execute attack. Wait. Where does it get the direction? There it is. Okay. So then basically just right here set slash direction forward equals attack direction forward. No. Now we use this with instance reference qualify with a type name instead. What if I just do that? I'll just do that. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. Bye now. Got the sickest kill in Fortnite right now. Clip it. Did you clip it? I need to play Marvel Rivals. I haven't played Marvel Rivals yet. Want to see a whip on how my comic is doing? I do. Did the song just say puto? I don't know. Henry is 6% of his brain. Boy, yo. It's bedtime. Good night, Lau. Thanks for being here. I always appreciate you. 38 pairs. Oh my gosh. Gotta play. I do. I've been working on this game. When does it end? Alright, send me the clip. Send me the clip. Slash direction. Reference. Slash direction. No. Just see if this works. Do you appreciate me? I do appreciate you. Womp womp. This is looking sus. Is this sus? And it works. Sweet. Actually, the combo reset time, I feel like it should be like 2 seconds. Let's see how it goes. Save. Remember that. It's not sus. Much less sus than the practice drawings I did. I like that bottom
the
frame.
marvelous sight of a human resembling a lowercase r. Straighten up, or I will fill this room up with deadly neurotoxin.
Fill me up, GLaDOS. What did I say? Sorry. Oh gosh. Getting tired. You're being way more sus. Shh. See, my sustenance got me a follow. .5 maybe. I feel like you can continue a combo for a good while in Elden Ring. Maybe not that one. Welcome in. Thanks for the follow, Fallen Learns. Thanks for the 720 followers. I appreciate it. Nor and Ed. That didn't seem like attack number 5. Looking up for you, baby. Thanks. I appreciate it. There's this YouTube tutorial that I've been loosely following. It's a tutorial series that create Elden Ring in Unity. Very specific, and it's literally like the newest episode came out like a couple days ago. It was like perfect timing for all this. But I didn't watch because he's doing it multiplayer, and I didn't even want to try to do that. So I'm like having to read his code and then like reinterpret it. That's why mine's so messy. I wanted to watch his just like attack. To just see like how he spawns the hitbox and stuff. He's a really smart guy. It's a smart way of handling things. But I'm gonna take a little break, so I can use the bathroom and get some water. And each attack will take more stamina and do more damage. You're a smart way of handling things. Thanks, Lord. I appreciate that. Yeah, each attack will take more stamina, do more damage, stuff like that. Let's save the prefab, save project, and yeah. I'll be right back. Stretched or something.
jump scary.
But I'm back. Okay. I had good sleep last night, and apparently that doesn't matter because I'm tired. Okay. Been thinking about it. Probably going to make a collider and have it disabled, and then just enable it when the attack happens. I'm not entirely sure if what kind of shape. So, Tux Flamingo. How are you, Tux? How was your stream? What were you up to? Stop marking. Number 3. I like how you're keeping count. Viva Pinata! I can't do the movie trailer voice if you push your face into my mouth.
Tux_Flamingo.
Suzu! How are you, Suzu? Great to see you. Come in. Perfect. I don't remember the last time I played Viva Pinata. I think I've only played a demo of Viva Pinata. Viva Pinata, nice pipes. Thanks. What brought you to me? What made you decide to raid me? Welcome in, my name is Dylan. I guess right now I'm more of a game dev streamer. I've got 2 days left in this Pirate Jam game jam. I've never finished a game before, but my stream overlays in Unity. Fellow Goblin, hey, nice. So I figured, hey, why can't I make a game if I can make my overlay? Yeah, since we're in a game engine, most of the redeems are interactive, and physics and stuff. Now only 2 days left. That's crazy. Yeah, time has flown by. Yeah, right now I'm working on my game for the game jam. Right now, for some reason, I've been making it look good. What's up, Mimi? How are you, Mimi? Like, okay, it's gonna be like a Souls-like. Nice hair, by the way. Thank you, Suzu. Appreciate it. I'll wait for the pause menu to go away. But it's gonna be Souls-like, roguelite. He's a little 2D sprite. He's a 3D model that I rendered out as a 2D sprite because I love the style of it. Thanks for the hydrate. Negrom Zaid. Negro. I don't feel comfortable saying that. I know it's Spanish, but I'm gonna call you Grom instead. So that's what that button does, yeah. We've got 8 directional, omnidirectional, whatever. Got sprint, got the stamina system, we got a dodge. And we've got attacks with slashes. And it's a 5-hit combo. Yeah. Still can ask, stream and chat for input on download, of course. Looks so cool, thank you. I kind of want to make it to where like that last hit goes a little bit further. I modeled the character. I did all the animations myself for a 2-week game jam. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why. I think I do want to like bump up the pixelation. Thanks for the follow. But I dig it. I like the 2D and 3D space. Me too. I've been wanting to make a game like this. Ooh, there we go. Perfect. For the longest time. I forgot what the pixelation is on my my overlay. That's crunchy. I feel like something like this isn't bad. Oh yeah, not this is like not bad at all. Maybe more than this. Or if I should go with the first. Oh, 2 images and whip. I'm wondering which I should go with. How's the deving? What's up, White? But yeah, the game jam ends in 2 days. Chapel. Oh, I also have a hurt wall. Ooh. Ooh. So hopefully I can get an enemy AI working. Because I've got attacks now, and then I've got dodge, so that's pretty much like so going from attack. Interesting. Oh, I need to be able to trigger the dodge from the attack animations. That's what that's. Going by quickly? Yeah, it did. Did you have a game that you were making? 3. While I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna go. How's your Sunday going, Chapel? You got this? Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. I hate making transitions. Just so tedious. As exit time, NAR. Just dodge. I wish I could copy and paste transitions. Or can you? And I'm just a donkey. Now, he inspired me to stream and make videos, but I feel like it's been a few days since he announced. Yeah, no. Wait, I'm an idiot. I'm making transitions to the attacks. Right? No. This one, though. Yeah, that one's to the attack. Just so many spider web. Yeah, it definitely feels like a couple of days. It's kind of funny because so I was feeling good. I was feeling pretty good, and I I felt like I was making good time, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it's like, all right, 2 days left. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm not fine. But no, it's good. I'm gonna keep working on this game because I really like the idea for this game. So I'm gonna keep working on it, and will probably be my first like actual release. It definitely will be my first release. Because I mean, worst case scenario, I'll just make it a like an endless mode with procedurally generated dungeons. Even worst case scenario, I'll make dungeons and make it into a little campaign. Best case scenario, I'll have a little campaign, like handmade dungeons, and then also like an endless mode. How do you do the art for the character? I made him in Blender, so he's a 3D model, and then I rendered him out as a PNG, and then made it into a sprite sheet. So I took the 3D model and made it into a sprite, basically. Because I'm not as good with pixel art and animation as you are, JP. I'm like, I got time. Then days go by so fast. Yeah, I'm off to bed. Have a good night, a good stream. Bye everyone. Thank you, Mimi. I love you. Have a great night. Thanks for being here. Endless would be cool. Go till you can't make any more. Yeah, that was the original plan. And then I was like, it would be kind of cool if there was a campaign type thing, because I'm making it like you know, a Souls-like, and they just have great atmosphere and like very interesting world building and storytelling. So it'd be cool to actually make like a story out of it. Did you see the dilemma? Oh, no, I didn't. Not yet. I forgot. That's how quickly I forget. Let's see, whips. Where's the whips and where's the nays? Oh, there's. Which one's better? Oh, I see now. I guess it depends on what the background would be. If it's just gonna be plain, I like no lines. I like no lines. But yeah, it depends on the background, I guess. I think that's fair. Hades and Dead Cell are 3D games, but use 2D render. Yeah, big inspiration from Dead Cells, even though I've never played Dead Cells. But for the longest time, I've been wanting to make a like 2D in 3D space. The workflow for 3D to 2D is pretty fast on iterations. Yeah. Probably not as fast as like 3D to 3D, because like rendering out the sprites and making the sprite sheet and stuff. Whereas like going from Blender to Unity is literally just saving the Blender file. But yeah. And it doesn't help that I'm doing like 8 directions. So and there's probably faster ways that I can do it, but I just don't know how to. So I found the initial Twitter post on Henry, but can't find the vid where Thor talks about Henry. I've tried it out. It's pretty fun from what I see. Also never played it. It's quite a while ago if I remember correctly. We get a cool aesthetic doing 3D to 2D. Yeah, very true. You get the speed down in iterations. I did have normal maps also set to the player sprite. Let's see, where's the idle? Down here. See, oh wait, you can't see the drop down menu, can you? So idle, I did have yeah. Idle. So I had a normal map on them, so then the light would interact with them like it's supposed to. Here it is. It's like but animating normal maps, not as easy as you would think it would be at all. Yeah, I ended up like trying to do it as an animation event that would trigger a piece of code that would manually change the normal map sprite sheet based on what animation is playing. And it would take a couple of frames for the normal map to update. So you'd have like, whenever you switch animations, there'd be like a split moment where like you could obviously see something was messed up. So yeah, I scrapped it. Maybe I'll go in and make an animation event for changing the sprite and normal map on each frame. So then they would update at the same time, hopefully. But yeah, I couldn't find a solution to it. And I spent like a full 2 days probably on it. So I was like, okay, that's not important for the game jam. Oh, I can also use the slash direction for the hitboxes. Yeah, now I'm adding hitboxes, which I don't know. It should be a box collider, capsule collider, sphere. Should I change it? I get an SS of the Henry post in Jen if you want to see it. Wait, there's a car. Oh yeah, Kitty. This is my cat, Gwen. She's the co-host. What's the car's name? She makes the occasional appearance. I feel like box collider, no? Let's see what capsule collider looks like. And yeah, she's the star of most of my emotes. Gosh. It's like that. Probably. I just took the shame and I saw a cat. Neuron activated. It's funny. Yeah. It's trigger. I think this is going to stop the dodge. Yep. Sometimes I run out of stamina and then I'm like, what the heck? Whenever I go to try to attack or something. Okay, so this it's a damage collider. I think I need another layer. Player damage. She's now currently on my arm, so I can only type with one hand now. So then I can make this a player damage collider, and then in the project settings I can make it to where the player damage collider never interacts with the player. Yeah. Cool. That should fix the issue. Because I have a for the dodge, I have a ray cast that shoots out in front of the player to detect if it's gonna run into anything, and then if it doesn't. Is it because it's on the player? And the raycast also hits colliders even if they're set to just being triggers, which is great. Well, that didn't work. Oh boy. Bye, Gwen. Just make it check for the ground. Ground or enemy, maybe? Is there a reason you're not using another raycast for the hitbox? Pure ignorance. I'm an artist first, programmer second. So I just hear like hitbox and I think collider. Would a hitbox be better? Or a raycast be better? Okay, sorry, it's physics. Botcast. Oh. Attacker transform. Gap position. Yeah, see, that's why I'm using the collider. What's up, Space Angie? Thanks for the mushroom. I appreciate it.
Don't have to deal with hitting your layers on your own object.
Gotcha. Because I was just gonna go in and make the like dodge right cast search for the ground layer. Now that I know you're a coder, I'm like, I don't want you to look at my code. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Dodge, routine. Which is rewarding me for socializing. Hey, I'm just getting back in Unity. Hey, what did you used to do in Unity? Oh, and if anybody hasn't seen my overlays in Unity, 3D space, redeems are interactive and stuff. Physics. Just got 50 stream points after socializing with 2 wibbles. Wait, really? Stream points? What's up, Merlme? Thanks for the follow, Merlme. Gonna Merlme. Ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. So don't I already have? Just released a mobile game. It was a procedurally generated in this platformer for 2D. Started as a game jam project. Hey, this was like 3 years ago. What? What is it? I want to see. You can drop the link to it if you want. Oh, shit. Okay, that's not. I'm just gonna try this and see if it works. Or what's the name of it? Is it on the App Store? I tried to make a game for Apple. I miss working on games. I just recovered the code yesterday. I need to remove Facebook leaderboard and add mob stuff, and then going to just put it on itch. Hey, nice. Yeah, I was working on another game. And I horribly overscoped. And then I got demotivated because of the overscope. By the end of fall, no, I was updated for years and they took it down. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, I got demotivated because of how much I overscoped. And then I saw the game jam was happening. like literally the day before. There we go. Works. Also needed to do that for the attack as well. So then I was like, well, this would be a great opportunity to force myself to come up with a simple game. And then I decided to try and make a Souls-like roguelite procedurally generated dungeon crawler. Yeah, so there's that. But it's been really fun. It's been a great learning experience.
No more wilting flower impersonations. Stand tall and shine.
Thanks for the care package. This okay. It's really, really easy to overscope. Yeah. That's how it goes. I thought it was an easy idea, but then it turned into having to make like an entire city. It's like, okay. References down here. Oh, ground check. This should be. That's where. Anyway, that's where the mask should be. Oh well. Doesn't matter. Thankfully, I haven't added too much stuff to this game. After coming up with the initial idea, the initial idea is just a lot for a 2-week game jam. I feel like I could get this done in like a couple of months. Like, or at least have like a playable demo or like early access. Okay, there should be. There's an enemy. I feel like I always have a hard time with the tag. I feel like game jams give a lot of people the initial boost to follow through on a game. Yeah, it definitely has for me. Whenever I saw the announcement for it, and then I was feeling like the whole like, I don't really want to keep working on the game I'm working on. And then I saw this for like 2 weeks. It's like, okay, this is gonna force me to like just make a little silly game that's not gonna take a lot of work. And it at least pushed me in that direction. I feel like if I were a better game dev, then I probably could have gotten this done in 2 weeks. But it doesn't help the fact that I modeled and animated the character myself. What do you want to finish for the game jam demo? Do you have any other sprites to finish to fight yet? Don't have any other sprites to fight. I was just gonna try and reuse the player sprite and then just like recolor it or something. Basically for a demo for the game jam, I really just need the enemy and the combat system. Which is really just making the AI after this. And then how I'm incorporating the theme of shadow and alchemy is whenever you kill enemies, you collect their shadow. So basically, like, after you kill them, you'll collect their shadow and they won't cast a shadow anymore. And then there's another little bar right here. If you can see, it's like a black one. So that's your like shadow reserve. And you can use the shadow reserve for 4 things. You can temporarily give yourself a boost, or buffs that you would lose if you die. If you wait to get to a shop, then you can buy permanent stat boosts, to like vitality, stamina, all that stuff, that you would keep after death. You would use that to heal yourself, so instead of like Estus Flask. And then also you have like an ultimate attack that is like an AoE explosion, and the more shadow reserve you have, the more powerful and the bigger it'll be. But it'll use your whole reserve no matter what. And then whenever you don't have a reserve, whenever I implement parrying or blocking, you wouldn't be able to use the parry or block if you don't have any of the any shadow in your shadow reserve. And then I have like for the temporary boosts of, I was gonna do like a boost to damage, basically. And then I have like these slashes that are white. But then if you like boost your damage with the shadow, then I was gonna turn them to black. While you were buffed. Which is a little design element. As I say, that spy versus spy style, yeah. Sounds like you're on the right track then. Hey, thanks. Sounds like a really cool idea for the game. Thank you. I think so too. And like when you're going through the dungeon, you'd be like you'd have to manage the shadow reserve. So like you could use it to buff yourself up temporarily, but then you risk, like, if you die, you lose all of it. You could save it to hopefully find a shop. And I would want to make like the shopkeeper like this weird dude. So you can buy like permanent upgrades. And then like if you're in a dire situation, then you have the ultimate attack. I was also thinking like maybe if you attack while holding like an ability button, or like dodging while holding an ability button, then it would use some of your shadow reserve and like just boost that one attack or that one dodge. But I'm not sure how much I like that. Is it shadows and or alchemy? The shadows and alchemy. So the shadow is you're collecting shadows to power yourself, and the alchemy is you're using the shadow, morphing it into whatever you need in the moment. And you said you were thinking of adding a story. It makes me so much more excited for the full game. Yeah, I think I'll definitely do like the story would probably be like the last thing that I add. I thank you for the follow, Grom. Are you cool with me calling you Grom, by the way? But yeah, right now, like, I have the combo system. I need to add a heavy attack, but I'm not gonna, got it, I dig. I'm not gonna add a heavy attack before the deadline's up. All I'm trying to add is the like the shadow system and enemy AI. And maybe I'll like flip the sprite for the enemy, so then he's like left-handed. Just, like trying to figure out how it would work that. And I have a like a directional light that's literally just hitting the player. So like on the enemy, I could do the same thing, but then have it like, you know, obviously not this, but like a ghostly, or just like golden, just the pink. Could also do something with the sprite, probably. That's not the sprite material. Could be literally a shadow that you fight. Gotta go have a great rest of the stream. Thank you so much, the fun mobile. Have a great night. I appreciate you. Appreciate you sticking around. Zuxus! You said it right. I had it for a second, my brain had a little hiccup. No worries, I can't change my username for 2 months. I just joined Twitch. I realized the name is too confusing. Is it Negrum Zaid? Negrum Zaid. Okay. So, code. Woohoo! I've been using ChatGPT a lot. I use it for my overlay as well. But I use it more as like a tutor. Yeah, an anagram. Oh, nice. So it's like, instead of just being like, give me code to do this, I try to work out the logic myself and then ask ChatGPT how I do that, because I also have a terrible memory. So remembering all of this stuff is pretty hard for me. So ChatGPT is a great like, hey, what, I know this is the thing, but what is it called and how do you do it? So I need a better organization. Instead of having all of this on one script, it needs to be split up. But I'm too far gone. I don't super fast and powerful and stuff. Be cool. Okay. Oh, but animation events. Ugh. Because I have 8 animations for every attack. Like on enable, like there, or like here, enable the hitbox, disable hitbox. But I'm not connected. But I do have a reference to the player movement already. I'll just put it in here. I forgot to switch the screen. I'm gonna do the hitbox. I feel like doing the whole like enemy health and stuff will be a lot. I'm getting kind of tired, so I don't know if I want to go into all that. So enable hitbox here. Disable here. I copy and paste both of these, please. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Enable hitbox. I just have to go through and put this on every single attack animation. Which, whatever's 8 times 5, it's that many. But I'm gonna test it after just the first. Okay, that was 8. That's not bad. That wasn't terrible. And just test. Ruins of Valve remix. Music is sick. Yeah, I curated it myself. It's a lot of Nintendo. It's just like Nintendo Lo-Fi. And then some other more specific games. Okay. Enabled. It seems like it comes a little early, actually. Sorry. I mean, it doesn't need to be that long. Literally think it needs to be like there. I bumped this up to, really it's supposed to be like 6. But I bumped it up to 24 to try and help with the normal map animation thing that never worked. Or it didn't work because it wasn't as polished as I wanted it to be. Yeah, if anybody here knows how to animate normal maps on top of sprites, I'd be forever and you're dead. There we go. Oh, I did start, actually started to make like boss fighting music for this game. Yeah, there we go. That feels much better. Cool. I kind of forgot what it sounded like, so now I want to like go and get it and play it. This. I love the look of that attack. He's like so ninja. Little flare out of the cloak. Anyways. It's like deving is so intimidating. For me, at least. And it's like, you know, out of my comfort zone, scary, and whatnot. But then like once I figure out what I need to be doing, it's either like, once I figure out what I need to be doing and then I'm like in it and I'm doing it and it's working well, then there's like a steady flow of dopamine. And then whenever I get something like finished, like a feature or whatever, then it's this huge flood of dopamine. Especially like if like I encounter bugs, I'm like, why isn't this working? And I keep working on it and I keep working on it. Finally fix it and it's just like, so that's why I like game deving. Also, I've wanted to make games since I was a kid, and I was always like, well, I'm not able to do that. That's like, I don't even know where to begin. And then I learned 3D modeling and like 3D art and stuff, and then it was like, I didn't know how I was going to do that. Like, I didn't know how that worked. And then I got COVID whenever it first came out, and I had like a 2 weeks of doing nothing, so I was like, I'm gonna figure out how people do 3D art. I was like, oh, that wasn't as intimidating as I thought it would have been. Okay. Now I just need the logic. I don't have any enemy scripts whatsoever. We started getting into game development right when I got out of it. That's really funny. What made you get out of it? Should I make enemy scripts first? At least like enemy stat scripts. Just life needed to focus on finding a development job. Understand. Yeah, right now I'm trying to find a job as a lighting artist in the animation or gaming industry. Here's my reel, at least for Unreal, but I'm also like do Maya and stuff. And I've been applying for jobs, and while I'm waiting for a job, then I've decided I'm just gonna make a game. And it's fun to do. It's something to do on stream too. It's nice. I didn't realize how much I missed it. Been dabbling for the last 2 weeks. Yo, Zuxes. Thanks so much for the sub, the prime sub, the rare prime sub. Daphne. Hi, Daphne. I don't know why I didn't play the sound and stuff, but thank you. I really appreciate that. You only get one of those. How's Fortnite going, Daphne? Like I can just like copy this player. Heck yeah, stream is a vibe. Thank you. FTL music started and that was it for me. Thanks, War. Yeah, some of the FTL music, the more intense ones, I remove from the playlist because it's a little like anxiety-inducing sometimes when I'm just like trying to chill. But some of them are really good for the vibe. Just finished playing. Yeah, they are. How many dubs did you get? How many dubs did you get, Daphne? I'm gonna duplicate it. I don't fully know how I'm gonna handle the enemy stuff yet. One win out of 4 games. Oh, yeah, that's not bad. It's not terrible. Flips. Enemy Batman flips for the enemies. I've been following like Make Elden Ring in Unity tutorial, and the guy is really smart and has great systems that can be like reused and stuff. But he's doing his online, and I am not. So then I've been like studying his code, how it works, and then morphing it into something that'll work for me. But like, now that I've gone through it, I'm thinking about, I'm like, there's like base scripts in here that I could reuse for the enemy, but I don't know if I can anymore. Or I should be able to, but I don't know if I can anymore because of how I've modified the original script.
Which is funny.
How do you version control your game? I don't even know what that is. Also, hi. Hi, Tipist. Welcome in. I feel like I have to do this every time like anybody comes in, just because. Well, I'm proud of it. But my overlay is made in Unity. We're in a 3D space, so most of the redeems are interactive. And physics, because game engine and stuff. Yeah. Like Git or Bitbucket? Neither. Oh, are you talking about like saving and iterations and having backups? Well done, thank you so much. It was a lot of work. I made it all from scratch. Learned Git. Like GitHub. I'm an artist first, smart guy second. Yeah, just the basics. Yeah, because I need to do something like that. I still haven't learned Git with Godot. Yeah, I don't even know what we're talking about. I need to do that with my my overlay. I have like different builds saved, but not like Unity projects. And it's only on my computer, so if my computer were to crash, I would lose my whole overlay, which is not cool. More or less having versions that devs can work on in tandem, with which they can merge their separate works into a production version at a later stage. Oh, that's cool. Will save you pain in the future. Yeah, I've never worked with anyone before, but yeah. Excuse me, Katie. That sounds like it'd be really cool. don't need to auto save on the enemy. Will the enemy also have stamina and stuff? No? No? Are you solo? Thanks. Yeah, I've done all this by myself. Yeah. It's pretty lonely. It's kind of sad. Would the enemy have stats like this besides health? Sorry to hear about the only part though, Silver. Yeah. So, sorry. Nah, I'm just kidding. I got friends. We just all are on our own projects and don't work together. Hold on. Does do up. Alright. How do enemies have stamina bars? They don't, but they also don't attack without stopping. Yeah. Yeah, so they don't have stamina bars. They're just, the logic is built into as if there was a stamina bar. Okay. So yeah, just health. That's what Gwen in chat is for. Passive helpers, exactly. Exactly. Who needs friends when you have a chat and a cat? Appreciate the follow, Dom. I'm out for the night. Take care, bud. For sure. I'll see you either in your stream or in my stream. Appreciate you. Okay, so calculating all this, setting new. Reset timer. Don't need any of those. Why did I copy this? So let me get into game dev stuff right now so you're not lonely. Oh, that would be awesome, Daphne. You just need to you just need to learn coding so I don't have to do all the coding. Yeah, me too. With what? Yeah, Curry, come on. Similar situation with my only dev friend. We just do our own projects and send each other our memes. Yeah, other meme. Yeah. There's a person that you should definitely follow if you is that it? You should definitely follow if you don't follow Mordecai. His overlays in Unity as well. Don't need stamina regeneration. Okay, well now that you're encouraging it, I don't want to. That's so real. Okay. Really, all it needs to be is player health is afloat. So maybe I shouldn't change it. even though it doesn't seem like it needs to be a float at all. I'm getting a lot of bots. Get fucked. Skibbity Rizzler? What? That's one hell of a username. All the numbers at the bottom. Yo, Tico! How's it going, Tico? Hola. Hola, ¿cómo está? I copied over the stat manager script. I was like, oh yeah, I'll like use this as a base. Deleted everything and just added a health variable. That's really funny. Why one of them Skibbity Rizzler? Because he got the Skibbity Riz, man. How's it going? It's going. It's going. I've got a 5-hit combo going. Now I'm just trying to make the enemy logic. Let's make it equal 100. Let's delete all this, because why not? Yeah, I got a 5-hit combo going. Got some flair on the combo with the slashes. Let me show real quick. The Buffalo guys are coming in pairs more often, I've noticed, which is strange because that makes them look worse. Yeah, maybe they're like accidentally overlapping. Like, this is my turn. I love this. I love this song. I also have a death screen, main menu. But the main menu is just hits new game. Mom said it's my turn to skin streamer. Yeah, here's the attacks. Sprint, dodge, leveling up. Attack, 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 attack. And then the pain wall. Oof, 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 oof. And it all works up there. Thanks, Ace. Where'd you learn how to code? I've been thinking about learning for a while and don't know how to start. I would say, I kind of said this earlier. The way that I've learned how to code is YouTube and ChatGPT. More like recently is ChatGPT, but I would like go to YouTube and just look up like Unity tutorials on like the type of game that I would want to make. So like I followed one for a 2D platformer. There was one for like an endless I think it was endless, or it could have been endless, but I didn't get that far. But where you're like a box and you have to dodge other like boxes that are like coming down. Yeah, just YouTube tutorials. I'm saying it's my turn to shout out Curry. Maybe just like thinking about like why do you want to learn how to code? Like what do you want to do? And then whatever you would love to do, just find the simpler version of that and look up YouTube tutorials for it. That's my advice. I'm a .NET developer and I've been wanting to get into game development, but the design patterns are very, very different. How are they different? I'm curious. Unity is it's object oriented coding, or I can't remember, but like you can't have a code that does anything in the game unless there's like an object that it's assigned to, which can just be an empty object that you name, but it's still like apparently weird. Why did this shit turn out so complicated? You ever think about that? Humans made this shit and somehow it still turned out annoying as fuck, right? Like, why can I like type something in? It gives me an error code that tells me exactly what's wrong, but it doesn't fix it. The error code is, and it's like an error code that's like numbers and stuff. And then I give the error code to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is like, "Oh yeah, that means this, so you got to do this." I'm like, "Why? If that's a very specific error code that the program gave to me, and it knows the exact problem and how to fix it, why won't it tell me?" What the hell? Thanks for that, Jay. It's about as complicated as any language. I guess. You think people would have made this shit a lot easier, but no, coding languages. Why can't I just say, "You are enemy, have 100 health. When you get hit, lose X amount of health." They tried right there, I guess. Hey Glenn, welcome back. You weren't kidding? Secure the file. Yeah, Curry is great. Okay, or just like a public. I'm having a brain fart. Take damage, probably. We should make a compiler that works with English. Yeah. That's what I could kind of use ChatGPT for. In .NET, you use things like dependency injection most of all, but there are instances of other patterns scattered throughout. It's a way to keep code more manageable and readable. I think in dependency injection, I think there is a form of that. Like I could use that, I think. I've heard that before, and I feel like I was on a call with an actual like coder, and he was walking me through some stuff of like how to fix things that I broke, and I think we may have used that. What language do you use? Or it's not language specific? Gotcha. I don't really know what it is. Let's see. You'd need a. I'm doing this from scratch, which is not my strong suit. Most design patterns are more like recipes, and you can implement them in many languages. Oh, C# framework. Okay. Yeah. But the thing is it's quite difficult. Not everything describes the stuff in the same manner, so you can't translate that into binary. Yeah. And ChatGPT is kind of an idiot sometimes. Like I'll give it my code, and I'm like, I want this code to do this as well. What would I have to do? And then it like completely ruins my code. And then adds the feature that I want, but then completely ruins everything that I had. So then I just have to like pick it apart and find the bits that work, which is, you know, kind of nice, I guess. Public. No, float. Damage dealt. Death. I need my arm. I'm sorry. Take damage. Health. It's gonna require a. Oh, minus equals damage dealt. And that will be all of the stats for the enemy. I guess like I mean, it could be a lot more complicated. And it probably should be a lot more complicated, but... Are you seriously telling the computers to speak your language? That's kind of rude, not gonna lie. That's hilarious. Also, welcome in, Hamza. How are you? How's your Sunday? How'd you find me? If I'm not mistaken, COBOL is an attempt at making code more accessible to the non-coders. COBOL devs hate their language, though. I think this book is a great introduction to design patterns for anyone that's interested. Yeah, Google that up. Design patterns. Design patterns help you solve commonly occurring problems in software design. Is that Rocket Raccoon in the top left? But you can't just find a pattern and copy it into your program the way you can with off-the-shelf functions or libraries. A pattern is not a specific piece of code, but a general concept for solving a particular problem. They are like pre-made blueprints that you can customize to solve a recurring design problem in your code. The book Dive into Design Patterns illustrates 22 classic design patterns and 8 design principles that these patterns are based on. Each chapter starts with the real world, blah, 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 blah. Why do you need to know patterns? Ace interviews and reviews. Questions about patterns come up at almost every programming job interview and every performance review. Get more jobs to get that raised. Extend programming toolkit. Communicate better with colleagues. I may have to pirate that. I mean... Thanks for the follow, Tempestio. I appreciate it. Your website, not sure how to implement it in game development though. Saw your channel on my recommended sidebar, and also I saw Pirate Jam, so I had to check it out. Hey, today's been great so far. I just had my breakfast a few hours ago, and now working on designing. How about you? Pretty good. It's 1 a.m. for me. What time is it for you? If you just had breakfast. It's I'm No, I'm having fun. I'm having fun. It's a good time. I've only got 2 days left. Hopefully I can make enemy AI. That'd be great. Be really cool if I could do that. But yeah, I'm starting to get a little tired, but I'm kind of hoping to at least get just like to where I can damage the enemy. Oh, which I'll need like a health bar for them to pop up over their head. That should be easy enough. 12:07 p.m. Oh, it's like we're 11 hours apart. My breakfast around 10. Nice. What'd you eat? Okay. And then like, how do I do this whole sprite thing with an enemy? So I have behavior designer, which is to make behavior trees for AI. I've never used it before. Move towards. I'm gonna need a nav mesh agent on this guy. Right now I'm just gonna make him this box. I don't care. Health bar on enemies? Yeah. Yeah. It's a Souls-like, of course. Of course it's gonna have Of course, it's gonna have a health bar. Cool. Nav mesh. It is. Hate sometimes. I hate sometimes. Sometimes I hate. Let's rebake. But sometimes I love. Most of the times I love. Okay. So, behavior tree. What does this do? Gives me a bunch of errors. Holy shit, 480? That's the everyday omelet. Ooh, I love omelets. Also joined Pirate Jam, but have done absolutely nothing. I did try to create stuff, but creating game art is so difficult. I'm studying CS, so coding isn't a problem for me. It's the game design that I can't do. We'll be trying to improve this in the future. I'm the opposite. I feel like I've come up with great game ideas, but it's the executing it that is terrible. The programming. I'm an artist first. Put a light over here on the skate. Why not? But let's make it a little darker because it's scary. Oh yeah, for the newer people who haven't seen my overlays made in Unity, we're in a game engine, so physics and most of the redeems are interactive. Most of them. Sorry. Okay. Did that? Where behavior tree? That's my question. Where behavior tree go? Enemy, move towards. Where is this? Move towards. Do I drag onto enemy? No? I probably should learn how to use this asset before I try to behavior tree. Okay. Enemy. Oh, okay, this is moving between. I might as well just copy all this and paste it over, right? That's totally gonna work, right? This entry, do I need to? Okay, no. This is just gonna this is gonna work, right? I've worked a little bit with behavior trees in Unreal, so I kind of get the gist of them, but I've just never done it in Unity before. Behavior name, enemy brain, external behavior. Start when I need more. Good position. Store the position of the transform. Returns success. Where is the transform? If no, that's going to use. I forgot you can see the code. Variable. I'm just gonna start and just see what happens. It's not gonna be good, but just see what happens. This is gonna work? No. Why am I trying it out? I don't know. But really, I don't need to do this part for tonight. To just do yeah. To do what I'm wanting to do, which is just like attack and then, excuse me. Why can you go through? I could make it like if it detects a collision, then it'll just hold the movement there. It wasn't colliding before. Like, oh. I understand. If you were the ground, yeah, but he's an enemy. So can I? Should you be able to dodge roll through enemies? No. I need to play Elden Ring. I actually really want to play Elden Ring. It's been a while. It's been a while since I played Elden Ring. I haven't played the DLC yet. Sweet. It works. The attack as well. Okay. Now I just need logic. I have it to Ah! Thank you. Thanks, Curry. Thanks for the hype. Am I still crushing?
Congratulations on perfecting the art of impersonating a wilting flower. But I must inform you that the wilting flower market is oversaturated, and I'm afraid your career prospects are rather wilted as well. So, straighten that stem of yours, embrace the sunlight, and blossom into the radiant test subject I know you can be.
Right. Cool. Thanks, Kurt. You're the best. Okay, so player damage collider can only interact with the enemy. So then we should just be able to set up scripts real quick. Coming up with names. Attack hitbox. Shouldn't be in effects. Damn it. Who's streaming? Because this shouldn't take long. Pirate Software is streaming. Adam Eunice is streaming. Adam Eunice has rated me twice. And that blows my mind. You sweet kitty. You're sweet kitty. Yo, you're so good. Oh wait, I don't need an attack hitbox script. I could just put it in that conglomerate of a script I have for player movement. So I really want to do that though. Now let's make it into its own. Now let's make it into its own thing. That's fine. Capsule. References. putting her head on my arm. She's purring. I love you, Dookie. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete that. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete that. I'll just put it in this one. And should be. Where is it? Where is it? Like this, I should be able to reuse for the enemy, but so eventually you need to do like poise and stuff. All right.
Jack. Full routine. Alright.
Say image del equals, I don't know, 5. Declare that variable up here. Image del equals 7. Sure, 8. Seems like way too much. If it was 50 is a bit more. Okay, and then just plug in damage up. And this should just work. Well, Nick Studios is also streaming. Somebody that I don't know who they are streaming. Who are you? You're an artist. How long have I been following you? Focus on enemy. Oh, wait a second. I didn't even put this script on them. There. Restart. And who are you? Oh, you're a frog. Okay. So this should do damage. But it's not. Oh, you're supposed to be enemy. I guess I didn't save that. There it goes. It works. See how far. It does feel like it's like exactly. Let's look at the lighter. Should be a miss. Debatable. That's a miss. Debatable. That should be a hit. That's a hit. That I feel like it probably should be a hit. Yeah, that should be a hit. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Cool. All right. Nine. Make sure he's an enemy. I wanted a combo reset timer to be smaller. Alright, cool. Great progress. Now all gotta do is make the enemy AI, which I need to do tomorrow. So I may. Robert Pattinson. Everyone doing this Pyro Jam, it seems. How is he so popular? Yeah, I was wondering that as well. I was like, how did Thor get so popular? And I think it was just like consistency on Twitch, but also like he's a really knowledgeable person, and people get a lot out of watching him. So it's like the whole if you give viewers something, like if they get something out of watching you, then they're more likely to watch you. So nice. He's a really cool guy too. Yeah, tomorrow. His average viewership is around 10K. Yeah, when he's streaming, and on top of that, he streams every day for 12 hours straight. Yeah. Consistency. And he's smart as hell. Knowledgeable. Many people stream for lots of hours. Not every day for 12 hours straight. That's a 12-hour stream is a lot. A lot of streamers who I watch stream for like half of that, and that's their maximum. Yeah, I'm at 5.5 hours right now. This is about the time I usually end, and I only stream 2 days a week, but it's not my full-time job, so. But welcome in, Robert Pattinson. Are you the real Robert Pattinson? My overlay is made in Unity. So since we're in a game engine in a 3D space, there's physics and stuff, and most of the redeems are interactive. But welcome in. We're about to end. Since I just finished what I was aiming to do.
Oh my god, Sata Michael Jordan.
Sata Michael Jordan. Welcome in, Sata. Glad you stopped by before I ended. Yeah, if I stream for 12 hours, I'll become popular as well by your logic. Well, also the sound is off. Is it? Like how off? Oh, sound. Oh. Consistency is a huge thing for growth, but also like what I said about providing what was the word? My ADHD is kicking my ass right now. Providing substance, providing there's a word and I can't think of it. But basically, viewers get something out of watching him. Like I've learned from watching him and like his clips on YouTube, how like to better handle releasing a game. He has a lot of inspiring things that he says. His game jam, just like the things that he talks about, is inspiring. And it's like good perspectives on things, about game development in general. And then also like the game jam has inspired me to make a smaller game that I'm not going to overscope and give up on. So consistency is definitely a factor in growth. If you're not consistent, you won't grow at least as much, I'll say. And the more you stream, the more people's eyes are on you, so the faster you will grow. But yeah, if your stream sucks, doesn't matter how long you stream. He knows how to engage his audience, and he's also consistent. Yeah, the consistency is a big thing. All right, guys, we're going to raid Bags. Bags is also working on a Pirate Jam game. Bags is really cool. Bags' overlay is also in Unity. He's working on a game with a team. I actually don't know anything about the game because I haven't been in to check out his stream while he's been working on it. But he's real cool. Follow him. Everybody working on Pirate Software Jam nowadays. Yeah. Gosh, there's like thousands of people, I think, signed up for it. I believe. Bye-bye, Robert. Appreciate you stopping by. Yeah, I may. Tomorrow's Monday night. I may stream tomorrow night. Like finishing up the game. and then like hopefully uploading it. I've never done that before. I've never like delivered a game before. I've only ever built stuff for like just me. So great. So that'll be fun. I can do that on stream as well. So I think I may do an extra stream tomorrow because of that. Because I'm gonna be working on it, so might as well. Is it Jover? It is Jover. You hear the ending song? So yeah, in case I don't stream tomorrow night, I'll see you Wednesday. So I was in Chrysler's your doorstep. I don't know. I don't know what we'll do. Because I'm like, work on the game. Yes, I'm gonna be working on the game for a while. To try to get it to like a playable state at least. But yeah, I feel like I've been working on it a lot, so maybe next stream won't be that. Maybe we'll work on overlay stuff. Maybe I'll fix the levels. Yeah, have a great night. Thanks for being here again. Love you. Make sure to follow Bags because he's really cool. And he usually streams around this time, so he usually starts streaming around when I end stream. I think he does that on purpose to get raids. But anyway, love you. Bye. Get the fuck out of my room.